sunrise sparkles on the dew. Got my boots on, thinking of you. All these miles that stretch between distant towns and fields of green. Cornfields gold as your hair, winds whisper when I hear your prayer. Every twist and turn I take brings me closer to the love we'll make. Country roads lead me home, lead me to your arms where I belong. Through the valleys and the pines, to the heart that beats with mine. Country roads don't steer me wrong, show the way I've loved so long. Every mile a work of art, country roads to your heart.